Hot part good.
Through the clouds.
Well, that went in a hurry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. 3, 2, 1, launch. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Number 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One. Hollow Creek.
Nitrous fill on both stages, which we're going to start shortly. When the nitrous is full, the rocket will start venting. That's how we know it's ready to go. This rocket, because it's two-stage, has two vents. We have one near the bottom, which we have a camera on. The second one is up in the air, and we're going to be using binoculars to try and spot it. The bottom motor is an M2281 hybrid, and the sustainer is a K555, 555.
It's too bad.
We've got a total impulse of 7,168 newtons, and we're expecting 15,000 feet. The main should separate from the rocket fairly early on. It should come down on its own parachute. The sustainer will carry on to 15,000 and will come down in a dual deployment configuration, assuming everything goes as according to plan.
She's getting scared.
We're currently filling and we're waiting for the venting. We have a vent occurring at the top. We are now venting at the bottom.
Here we go.
And we are good to launch. Going in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very nice.